Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I'm Leauxkey. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and give this video a very huge thumbs up if you do like it and you like the results. Also, be sure to turn on the post notifications so that when I post new videos such as this one, you won't miss them. And now let's just get right into this twist out tutorial. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm here to take out my mini twists. I've had these in for about 4 days now. So I'm just going to be using some coconut oil that I have just to oil up my hands a bit so that when I'm unraveling these, my hands aren't too dry. So I'm going to take it out of this hair tie that I had on. Now I'm just taking some oil and dipping in. And I'm rubbing my hands together. So you don't have to use coconut oil because I know most persons don't really like coconut oil, but I don't have an issue with coconut oil, so I'm using, plus I like it for my skin as well. So now that my hands are covered in the oil, I'm going to clip these set out of the way, and now I'm just going to unravel. I don't remember this twist being so big, or was it? Anyway. I unravel slowly just because the twists are kind of old now, so I just want to make sure like I don't frizz it out a lot. Move on to the next. Here for it, here for it. So now I'm just going to unravel this some more by just teasing them out. I'm going to start with these two, and I'm clipping this out of the way. So again, I'm taking more oil. This is where you really want to be gentle and patient. This is the tricky part. Okay, so I'm just pulling out the parts that come out of it the easiest, and I'm literally just lightly pulling and then dropping it. Okay, so now this part, if there's a section that's still really coiled, just unravel it a little bit and then pull. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is how my twist out came out using Eden Body Works Nourishing Curl Jam and the foam conditioner. So good. Okay guys, so this is it. I think the twist out came out really good. This was a huge improvement and a huge step up for my failed braid out attempt. I think that the products really did a great job in helping me to get a really nice twist out, especially for my hair length. I am really amazed and really happy with my results. So Eden Body Works, thank you so much for such great quality products. And this is it guys. I will see you in the next tutorial.